Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Pasensya na po kayo. Di pa po ako nag-record sa voice message kasi po sira po yung voice memo po ng camera ko sa cellphone. And I apologize po, sir. Um, Good day po. Good day po. My name is Jan Joshua Ignacio. I here to tell you a little bit about myself and my expertise in this field. I have been programmed to assist with various aspects of electrical technology, including answer questions and providing information as sparing guidance whether you need help with a little uh, electrical circuit power system or electronics. I am here to nail a land. I have a deep understanding of electrical principles and concepts, and I am constantly updating my knowledge to stay up to update with the latest advancements in the field. I can assist with troubleshooting electrical issues, designing circuits, and even providing explanation for complex electrical phenomena. My goal is to make electrical technology more accessible and understanding for everyone. Strive to provide a clear and concise explanation breaking down complex topics into simpler terms. I am also equipped with emotionally support capabilities. I understand that learning and working in the field of electrical technology with emotional support capabilities and understand that learning and working in the field of electrical technology can be challenging at times, and I am here to provide encourage motivation if you feel overwhelmed. Thank you, sir. Yun lang po.